Hi everyone, I am Tiffy and I am an independent Color Street stylist, and today, at the day that I am filming this, it is my very first YouTube video, and it is also Color Street's 5th anniversary. Happy birthday, Color Street. And I decided that June 12th, today, I would do something really fun and do a mixed mani for the birthday. Something fun, and I've been meaning to do this one for a while. So, the sets that I will be using today are, this is called Paint the Town, this one is. It is a retiring set, but you can still get it. Just bump the camera. This one is called Juneau The Drill. And this one is called Sleet Home. And you can still get this one too. I think I checked and this one is not available right now. I believe it is gone. Sold out completely. But I thought it would be really pretty as a mixed mani with that one. So, if you've never used Color Street before, they are 100% nail polish strips. Base coat, top coat, and color all in one strip. So you don't really need to do anything extra after you apply the strip, besides allow it to cure. So when you open, there's instructions. And there's also a nail file, a prep pad, and your strips completely sealed. Now, the thing is if you, what you want to do before you start, you want to get your nails trimmed up and filed, clean, make sure your nails are clean and make sure your nails are dry. Then you want to use the prep pad. This is an alcohol wipe, and this will help you with application if you like to use this method of filing it down after. There's different methods that you can do for application, but just in case you don't know or it's your first time, there are instructions included. These are so pretty and sparkly. The reason I'm using different sets is because the Paint the Town is it's a little sheer, it's a little bit sheer. So this one is also a little bit sheer. So I'm going to use this one down first, and then I'm going to put this over the top just because I want that nice pop of color, and I don't really want a whole lot of see-through on my nail itself. So make sure you get everything. These are set up before you open up your nails. Reason being is once you open them up, they start to cure immediately because it's polish. It's not press-on nails or anything like that. This is just, so if you, and you know what is really awesome about this? So if you do have something, like if you don't have natural nails, you have acrylics or something, you can put this over the top of acrylics just fine, and you can remove it with non-acetone nail polish remover, which is so cool. Color Street does have its own nail polish remover now, which I tried for the first time, let's see, like 2 weeks ago, and it was amazing. I was skeptical at first, I'm gonna be honest, but I tried it and I was like, oh my gosh, this works great. Because I've used non-acetone polish removers in the past and I was very underwhelmed. But this worked fabulously, and I was highly, highly impressed. Okay, so these are double-ended strips, meaning that you can use either side of the strip. And when you open, you want to sit there, and there's 16 in here, so you have plenty. You can find the right size for your nails. And I don't like those little glue things. I like to take those off. Okay, so let's see here. I use this one for my pinky most of the time, almost every single time. So I'm going to use pinky, and then I use that one for that nail. Probably going to use purple. We'll use purple for that one. Then I use this one. And then the thumb. So we're probably just going to use one of the purples, I think, is what we'll do. Let's see. Yeah. Unless we do purple. Unless we do these two purple. I might do that. I don't know. Yeah. You know what? I think that would be pretty. So we'll do... Should we do rainbow or purple? Let's see. Let's just open and start playing, shall we? Let's just open and start playing. This is the best part. So I'm one of those people, I really, 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 really love doing my nails. And I get so much enjoyment watching others do their nails. And I get a lot of enjoyment doing my nails myself. So this is one of the reasons I started this YouTube channel, because I really, 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 really love it. Okay, this one is not wanting to open. My package isn't. So there's just like a little, I'm gonna open this little guy up. This is so pretty. Look at the sparkle. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how pretty. So, and then this, I don't know if this is sheer or not, because I've never used it. I don't know if it has a white backing on it or not. But we're gonna test it and see. Let's look. I'm just gonna, I know some of you are probably going, oh, so it has a, let's see, I already did this one. It's starting to rain out there. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit sheer, it looks like. A little bit, but probably not that bad. I think it should be fine. I like to look. I'm so sorry I keep bumping that. I like to look because of if it's a set I've never used before. And I don't have samples of this set, so like a twosies or anything like that. So I think it should be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. Okay. All right. I was gonna see if I needed to put this underneath, but no. Okay, so we're gonna do yesterday I had to so that'll be pinky, this will be middle finger, ring finger, and then I think I said let's do, this is pinky, this is pointer finger, right? This is the one I use for my pointer finger. And then I can use, I guess, for the, or should I do purple? Should I do purple for the pinky? I can do purple for the pinky, I guess. Purple for the pinky. So we'll do purple. This is my pointer finger. Like that. I don't use that one, and this will be my thumb. Okay, there we go. And I will put these over here. I like to keep them. So if you are doing a mixed mani like this, you could put them back in the package really quick, or you could put them inside of a book, like a heavy book. If you have some heavy books or something like that sitting nearby, I recommend doing that if you want to reuse them. These are a one-time use product. You do have to understand that. So there is, once you open the package and use them, there is no guarantee that they will ever work again. But I like to save any extras that I have to use for later. because you can pop them, you know, seal them back up, pop them in the freezer, and then sometimes you can thaw them out and reuse them. I do that with Clear as Day because I use Clear as Day. So if I only use one layer, I will put Clear as Day over the top. That's the other thing. I'm one of those people, I like to use 2 layers. Home Sleet Home. Won't be using that one, but I will be using this one. I won't be using this one, but I will be using this one. And I won't be using this one, but I will be using this one. There we go. Let's begin, shall we? So yeah, I've been using Color Street. I started using Color Street back, I got it my very first sample, and I started using it back in, I want to say it was like September. And my very first sample, it was a 2Z, it was an accent 2Z. And it was, what was it? Tokyo Lights. That was the one that was my very first introduction. And let me tell you, I used it and I was thinking, oh my goodness, this is so cool. You know, because I didn't know what dry nail polish was. I had no idea what dry nail polish was. I was like, oh, okay. I just figured it was something gimmicky, and but I did my nails